This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christian Clay. Extra flex room/office. This home has a ton of newly updated features. New roof, new updated bathrooms, updated kitchen with granite, 2016 air conditioner, 2016 plumbing, hurricane shutters, custom woodwork. The backyard is very spacious and has a custom seating area with awning. 2-car garage with large driveway for extra parking. This place has been well maintained from current owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Christian Clay at 863-509-7466.